everyone. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Imelda Zahwa, and I am pleased to be here with you today. In this presentation, I will walk you through the result of my analysis on the current organizational challenge faced by Metro, particularly following a major transformation in its management and ownership. Let's begin with a look at our agenda for this presentation. First, we'll start with an introduction to the problem background. Then we will dive into the challenge and reason for staff resistance. After that, I will propose some solution with practical example. We will then discuss how to manage change more effectively in the future. And finally, I will conclude the presentation. So, let's start with the background of the problem. Method is facing serious challenge after a recent change in ownership and management style. The core issue is that employees are deeply unhappy. This is due to several factors. Frequent inspection, the sudden layoff of about 60 R&D staff, and overwhelming number of change being introduced all at once, such as a new computer system and mandatory English training. As a result, the once friendly, family like company culture has been replaced by a strict top down approach, leading to critically low morale, declining productivity, and a high rate of staff turnover. Okay, why are staff resisting the change? To understand this better, let's break down the key reason why the staff are resisting this change. First, there is unclear communication. Factory inspection are conducted without any explanation, which naturally cause confusion and mistrust among employees. Second, the redundancies were handled very poorly. Laying off 60 R&D staff without giving any reason is not only unprofessional but also create widespread fear and anxiety. Third, there are simply too many changes happening at once. The simultaneous rollout of a new computer system, English training, and expansion into a new market has left the staff feeling overwhelmed and unsupported. Finally, fourth, there has been a significant loss of culture. The warm family-like atmosphere has vanished and been replaced by a rigid impersonal top-down style that staff are not comfortable with. So, how can we fix this? I have grouped my recommendation into three main practical suggestions. First, we must strengthen communication and transparency. Second, we need to rebuild trust and morale. And third, it is crucial to implement change gradually and with proper support. For the example, now let's look at some practical example of this suggestion can be applied, drawing inspiration from successful Indonesian companies. For our first suggestion, strengthening communication, we can look at the example of Telkom Indonesia. They regularly use large-scale town hall meeting to clearly explain strategic change to all employees. For our second point, rebuilding trust and morale, we can learn from Garuda Indonesia. During their major structuring, they made it a point publicly recognize and reward employee contribution, which was crucial for maintaining morale during a difficult time. And yeah, finally, for implementing change gradually, a great example is Bukalapak. When introducing new technology, they often roll it out in pace, starting with small pilot teams before a company-wide launch. This method allows for testing and feedback and prevent overwhelming the entire organization. Metro shall follow this model for its new computer system and other change. Okay, this solution can also teach us valuable lesson on how to manage can change more effectively in the future. First, always communicate early and clearly. Second, respect and preserve the positive aspect of the existing culture. Don't discard what already works. Third, actively engage employee. And finally, implement change gradually. Introducing new systems type by type with support prevents burnout and ensure a smoother transition. And yeah, this brings me to the most important point of my analysis. The main challenge at Method is not the change themselves, but the pure communication and lack of trust that define the process. By engaging employee and providing clear, transparent communication, the company can significantly boost morale and productivity. Furthermore, ensuring the gradual implementation of new system and preserving the valuable parts of the company culture are absolutely critical for success. In conclusion, I strongly believe that with the right strategy focusing on clear communication, trust building, and structured change management, method can overcome this challenge. Rebuild is positive culture and move forward towards sustainable growth. Well, that's all I have to say. Thank you very much for your time and your attention.